is a house rental agreement. So we'll do small thing here. So preparing the house rental agreement, Excel. And so what are all the fields we need? So suppose for example, so the person name, so tenant, okay. So this is a house rental agreement. So I will post this house rental agreement into the our XAML files folder. So you just do. So I will just do so a few things. Okay, few things in the sense. See here, I will change the what is this from order from when the period from. That's a here. I'm just making that as a from date, and here agreement duration to date. And so these are all the two things. So I want to replace. I'm just preparing the template. Okay, so you have to do for the all the what is the tenant name and what is the tenant surname, father name, and what is the location, and what is the who is agreement from tenant to the landlord. These things and all you have to do for further information. Okay, I will do only the from date and to date. And so what is a monthly rent? Okay, monthly rent here. Rent amount. Okay, rent amount. And there's some deposit here that's just saying that's a secure deposit. Okay, okay, secure deposits. Yeah, secure deposit, right? So I will just replace these things only. Okay, so the from date and to date. And so let's replace the between the name also, only name, uh, tenant name. Okay, so what we can do, so I'm just partially updating. So you have to do the age, everything. So okay, so prepare the proper documents. This is like a, I'm just preparing the Excel, having the this tenant name. Okay, tenant name. Okay, tenant name. Okay, let me just what is the from address, from date to date, rent amount, rent amount. Okay, security deposit. Okay, so yeah, I'm saying the same thing to the same location. So we'll just use the same location here, this folder. Okay, so this has a tenant name. Okay, we just put like a rent from suppose today is so 11th July 2022. So 11th July 2021. Just imagine. Or like that. Just imagine like this. So this is from address to address, just dummy. I'm just saying that's okay. What happened? What happened? I'm not able to type. Somewhere product activation failed. So what is this product activation failed? Let me open the host rent agreement. Oh, everything is gone. Okay. So from address, so 1 July 2020, 25, 13, May 2020, 02 Jan 2020. So here you have a date like a here 2021. So rent amount is like a 5,000, 10,000, 12,000, 8,000, 15,000, so 9,000. Deposit is like a so 20,000, 30,000, 25,000, so 50,000, 35,000. Okay. This is a oh, you have Excel. Just imagine so the operator. So who is a oh again it is not saving. Product activation failed. So maybe because of the we don't have a proper MS Office. Let me open so whether it's everything is saved or not. No. Okay. Yeah. So what we'll do, so we'll just read the just take another applications as new project. So what the robot has to do, robot has to take this template, okay, take this, read the Excel and go to the each and every file, that means each and every row record, and take a copy of this template. So this it will take the copy of this template. Where is the template? This is a house rent. This is a house rent, right? Save as a template. Okay. We'll prepare the completed uh, completed folder. So what the robot will do? Robot will take this Excel, read each and every record, and fill the take a copy. First of all, it will take a copy of that one and save in the completed folder or process folder. Okay, in progress or in progress. In progress folder. First, it will just take a. The robot will take a this one and move to in progress. Name is as a the first the tenant name is a cause like a see before that the name and agreement, and once it is updated, so once it is updated, then it will move this one to the completed folder. Okay, got it. So that is a and convert that into the PDF. So that convert this into the PDF. Okay, let us do that one. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the completed, remove this one. Yeah, first of all, how can we do? First we have to read the Excel application scope. Just drag and drop, browse the Excel, and here only the Excel house rent agreement. Let's read range. Just imagine we are just creating the attended bot for the rental agreement operator. So who is doing the daily lot of rental agreement preparing. Okay, so we're just making his job is easy. Okay, the sheets once everyone. So suppose 10 people came and for the rental agreement, he just fill this Excel and give this Excel to the robot. The robot will do the remaining part. That's what we're going to do, that kind of bot here. Okay, create a data table rent dt. Okay, this rent dt, so increase the scope of the rent dt to the top level. Okay, so here we have a rent dt has all the data user for each row activity. Within the for each row activity, rent dt, each and every row from the data table rent dt. And here, so first thing is we have to copy a file. Okay, first we have to take a file copy. So where we have to copy from where? So we have to copy this one, give the path from to use the override to where? So in progress. First we will just go to the in progress. Here the in progress folder is there, right? Copy that name in progress slash. What is the name? What is the name of the file? So let's keep this one only. Okay, let's keep this one only. Okay, so once we copy that file, then what we have, we take in the copy of the original a template. That's it. Okay, so after that, so what we use, so word application scope, just drag the word application scope and give this the newly copied copy here, and what we have to do, we have to replace the text. Okay, we'll just replace the text. So what you have to replace the text here, we have to replace the text like a Excel has all the data, right? So every time we are taking the document path and this one, this record, we have to replace the text. Okay, now here we will use another for each. Here, just closely, let's listen carefully here. We have a multiple data, right? This one, you can hard code this data and take in one replace activity, 2, 3, 4, 5 replace activities. That's the one way. Okay. The other way is yesterday we learned, right? So how to loop each and every column, right? So in the data column, if we take this one, so what is that? So rent dt dot columns. You're just looping each and every column here. This is a call. Okay, so and replace, just drag this replace method here. So what it has to search for this word, but within this word, so there is a brackets, right? So search for this type of word. Okay, it has to search for this type of word. So anyway, we're just making the same type of names, right? So just go search for this word, right? Within that, what is a column name? How can we get the column name? Call dot column name. Okay, and replace with the word row of call dot column name dot toString. So this call dot column name will give the to date, from date, okay, these things and all. So row of that column will give the that particular value. These values it will give. Okay, got it? So that will replace each and every word. So once it is replaced everything, so what we have to do, we have to convert that into the PDF. So just type the word. You have another activity called export to PDF. Got it? So you have to export that word into the PDF. So give the path of that. The path is like we have to move to the completed folder. This is the completed folder. Slash, and this is a house rent. But before that, there's a hyphen and the name of the person. How can you get the name of the person? So row of 0 is the name of the person. Okay. So Qasim hyphen rental document, and what is that? PDF. This is a PDF. Just give the PDF, not doc. Okay, you are exporting this current PDF because you are in the Excel application, Word application scope, right? You are exporting this current PDF, a Word document, to the PDF. Okay, I think that's it. Ready. Let's run. I have completed folder. We'll see what will happen in the completed folder. It's opening the document and replacing the items from that and close. So so there is a problem with this one. So okay, so there's a so what we can do here in this place, because of the Excel is that the operating Microsoft Office is not a proper thing. See, it does replace the Qasim, replace the from order from and to. See from not replaced, to it's replaced, from spelling wrong, that's why it is not replaced. Okay, see, from it is a spelling wrong. Okay, the document itself there is a wrong from. Okay, let's replace the document in progress. Remove this one in our agreement template itself. From, okay, let us try. So, so there is some problem. Okay. Here what we can do, one thing we can do instead of the Excel application scope, we can just try this replace text method here. Okay. Here is the copy instead of application scope, and what we have to replace, that is a replace method, and only the conversion we will do here. Replace here. Okay. Yeah, let us try to do this one. See, Qasim hyphen house rent agreement. Rasul hyphen house rent agreement. Syed hyphen house rent agreement. Nagur hyphen house rent agreement. The final one, Ravi. Okay, it's done. So do you understand, right? So as I don't have a proper Microsoft Office software, so what I used? The word under the Word document. Okay, this is not required the software, the MS Office software. Okay, let us see whether let us see the whether this is properly updated or not. See Syed, and so what is the Syed? So 13 May, 13 May. Is that is that where is that? 13 May. This one and this one. Okay. Okay, it converts. Excel is converting that one into the this. So you can just remove these parts. Okay. And now, what is the rent? A secure deposit is at 25,000 for Syed, right? What is the rent? What is the rent here? 8,000. Got it? So do you understand? So let's open the another thing like a Qasim. What is the Qasim secure deposit? 20,000 and 5,000 is the rent. So Qasim is replaced. So this is 1st July 2020 and 5,000 is the rent. Security deposit. Got it? So we can make the life easier for the person who is daily doing this kind of work, right? So that you can create a attendant bot and keep a batch file in his desktop. So whenever he wants, so he will update the Excel and he will click on that. So the bot will do the rest of the things. Okay. Even you can just print it out also. Okay. That is an exercise. You can just try it out with all the information. All the information in the sense I will give this dog this within this one. So whatever there, the tenant name, full name, tenant address, and address will be done, right? Address and landlord orders, this and all. Do you have any doubts in this one? Do you have any doubts in this?
Thank you very much for watching this video, friends. So to get more hands-on experience, you can join as a Sky member. Please join this channel.